Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida and today we are making crispy, spicy and fun to eat Masala Suji Balls. A quick snack that's perfect for tea time or kids' tiffin. Let's get started. In a pan, pour 1 cup water, add half teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon oil. Let it come to a boil. Now add half cup suji or semolina. Stir continuously. Suji or semolina is made from coarsely ground wheat. Stir constantly while cooking to avoid lumps. Cook until it starts to come together and separates from the pan. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Then knead it into a smooth dough. Always use fine suji for a smooth dough texture. Grease your hands with a little oil and shape into small balls. Add grated cheese or herbs inside the dough for extra flavor. You can experiment with shapes. Try heart or ring shapes for fun. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Fry the balls for 5 to 7 minutes or until they turn light golden brown. Suji is a good source of protein and iron. Homemade snacks are always better than packaged chips. Using minimal oil helps keep it light and less greasy. Add chopped veggies into the dough for a healthier version. Don't over-fry. Light brown color gives the perfect crunch. Once done, remove and place them in a bowl. Add half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, and half teaspoon salt. Toss to coat the balls evenly in the masala mix. These balls are a fusion between Indian pakoras and Western style croquette. They are great as party snacks. Kid loves the crunch and flavor. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful inside, Masala Suji balls are a hit every time. If you like the quick snack idea, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Tell us in the comments what's your favorite masala twist and hit the subscribe button for more easy homemade recipes from Oven Cake and Cookies. Until next time, cook smart, serve with love and keep spreading joy through food.